Welcome to Valletta, Malta. Let's do a wee evening walk and I'll show you how stunning this place is. It's got a really good vibe. Wait till we get to the end of this street. You'll not believe how busy it is. I've just done a wee video in the Valletta food market. A lot of wee pop-up stores. This is the bus stop. They've got a telephone box in here, red telephone box. They've got the golf on. They do food, they do beer. Life is good. You can't ask for any more than that, can you? Let's take a wee wander. So there's a lot of traditional Maltese restaurants down here, but it does start with a lovely Chinese looking restaurant. I'm tempted to go in there myself. Not had the wee Chinese for a while. I don't know if you've seen the video, the really bad Indians last night in Bagheera. The Indian was poor, but the annoying thing was they charged me €6.90 for pulao rice. Have you ever been charged that much for pulao rice in your life? A high-end restaurant would be cheeky enough to charge that. Nice, eh? Just a nice vibe. Wait till we get to the bottom, you won't believe it. Just gets nicer and nicer as we go. Lots of places doing lobster and oysters. As we get up here, you'll see a lot of traditional Maltese restaurants doing rabbit and other stuff like that. Yes, in case you don't know, rabbit is very popular in Malta. So, really nice vibe. A couple of really nice looking bars as well. They've got quite a few happy hours on. They do craft beers in there. There's something a bit different. They do pizzas, tapas, all sorts going on in there. It's number 43. Now let's get to the busy part. Cathedral's just up here on the right hand side. It will get busier, I promise you. I think round the corner here on the left you will see a beautiful street with restaurants. It can be quite hilly, Valletta. There's a wee crowd here looking down the street. How nice is it down there? Beautiful. Quite tricky to get down, mind you. Maybe go down at another time, do a video. We'll wait and see. Let's continue. I did promise you it gets busy, eh? Now, I quite fancy getting in here for some tea, but there's a problem. A big problem. I don't think you can get a seat, it's too busy. Let's continue. Food smells amazing. The drinks look good. Some sort of cricket dish coming out here as well. There is the menu here. We've got a Maltese special for €12, pulled rabbit €20, Maltese sausage €19 and local rabbit $25. There you go. It's very nice place. Listening to people speaking. A lot of locals here. There is tourists obviously, but there's a lot of locals here. There's 2 big cruise ships in just now. I don't know how long they dock for, they might be back in the ship now. Some food coming out, you fancy that viewers? It's like a fish dish of some sort. It's nicer and nicer down here as well. Beautiful, isn't it? Right, let's continue. We've got a lot of lively music down this wee bit. We're doing a wee bit of a cocktail vibe here. It's called Vaca Loca, I think. Yep. Nice atmosphere, busy, maybe a younger crowd than this. This wee section here's got a younger crowd. Yeah. How busy is Valletta? This is getting filmed on what night is this? Thursday night, not even the weekend. And it's as busy as this. Look at that beautiful wee kiosk over there. Check out that guy. Nice, eh? It's called Luciano, that one. They've not been as far up as this one. Got a place called Coffee Circus down there as well, a wee hidden gem. I will eventually go down these wee side streets, but I'm just getting my bearings. My hotel's not far from here actually, round the corner. What do you think? Nice place, Valletta, isn't it? Very nice. I would go as far to say visually, no doubting it, it's the nicest place in Malta. No, not even a question. It's a good wee pit stop if you're on a cruise, definitely. If you're on a cruise and you're thinking, well, I got off at the shore, then I would recommend Valletta. It's pretty compact, you can get about, and yeah, you can't really go wrong, can you? Loads of restaurants, loads of bars. What I've seen of the prices, we will do another video. What I've seen of the prices, it's reasonable. 2 cocktails, €9. We've got cocktails over there all day, €4. Pint of lager, $3.50. It's not bad. in these surroundings at all, is it? I might do a wee menu video tomorrow when it's lighter, because you can't really see the menus that well, the prices. But how nice is it here as well? The buildings at the end. Stunning. This wee place is busy. What have they got here? What's the name of this place? Bistro Bar. Anglo Maltese. Okay. Interesting to see tomorrow when these shops are open. As far as I can see, it's a wee bit different from some other places. The red telephone box there. Big British influence in Malta. It's a bit different. Not all the shops are open late at night that you would see. And other resorts, Holland and Barrett there as well. You just feel as if you're in the UK High Street, don't you? Clark's. Surprising end to this one. Okay, what we got up here? Apart from the police. And then this wee side street, not much going on down there. I'm going to go right up to the top. This wee street here probably gets lit up at one point. There's not much to show you down there. There is a sightseeing wee train that goes round here. Maybe tomorrow, because my footsore will go on it. Take a wee video for you. I think I seen a wee train going about and it was only €5, which I thought was really cheap. That is at Palazzo Paris, is it Pariso? Impressive buildings to say the least. The National Community Art Museum. Yeah, nice. Some sort of blue lighting against that building at the moment. You try and figure out where my hotel is or where I'm doing the next video. I think my hotel's up here and to the right. I'm staying at the Castile Hotel. It's £51 for bed and breakfast, and the breakfast is served on the rooftop, and it will have amazing views, I'm assuming, because it looks down basically to the port. So I'll be able to give the people on the cruises maybe a wee wave tomorrow. I don't know what the breakfast will be like. I'm going to try and make it. Most of the time I skip breakfast. If it's not a buffet breakfast I can get a good video on, then I usually skip it because I don't really do the food reviews. Setting up the stage over there. Yeah, I've already got lost in here. Oh, here's my hotel here, I think. Is it? Let's see, have I managed to wander back to my hotel just by mistake? It's quite possible I have. Yeah, Castile Place. So we're at the Castile Hotel, I think it's round the corner here, let's see. It's a stroke of luck because I'm going to go in, charge my phone and jump in the shower. If it is here. I'm sure it is. Ah, here we are. So, Malta at night. Valletta at night. Pretty impressive place. Very, very nice. The big cruise ships are just down there, see them in the distance? Oh, I can't see them for the lights coming up for these cars. You can see it right in the distance, big cruise ships docked down there. There was two, I don't know if there's two still there. I've got a video during the day, you'll see it better anyway. One's a P&O, the other one I don't know where it is. Let me know in the comments, have you ever stayed, have you ever got off for a day trip in Valletta? Lovely place. So here is my hotel, the Castile Hotel. They've got a cafe downstairs but it shuts at night, so don't be under the impression it's not open. I'm just getting in here. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, give a wee like and a wee subscribe, it's free. Hit the wee subscribe button there on your phone. If you're on your TV, hit the wee camera icon and just click OK. You can join the channel for no charge whatsoever. Hit the bell for notifications for uploading new videos. I've just remembered the entrance to the hotel's around the side here. Okay, time to go and get a wee change. Thanks for watching.